Pictory.ai is one of the best AI video generators. And today, I will give you a Pictory coupon code, which will help you save around $100 on your plan. To claim the coupon, you need to sign up for Pictory using the first link which is given in the video description. Next, you need to go to the pricing plans. Here, you can either choose a monthly plan or a yearly plan. I personally recommend the yearly plan, as it will allow you save an extra 24% on your order. Next, click on this Buy Now button, which will take you to the checkout page. Here, you'll see this coupon code option. Here, you need to paste this coupon which is showing on your screen. And as you can see, the 20% discount is already applied on your order. This coupon also works with the monthly plan, but the yearly plan will save you more money. You can see that this coupon has gave me a $93 discount. If you decide to go ahead with a higher plan, you'll be able to save more on your order. Next, you only need to click on this Proceed button, and then fill in all these information and make the payment. And this is how you can save up to 20% on your Pictory subscription. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more coupon code videos like these. Thanks for watching.